my.
You gave him my name. Why did you do that?
Imagine if Duffy found out about this.
Well, I've got a criminal record now, apparently.
What? Drunkenness. Resisting arrest. It's nothing, really.
Yeah, and impersonating a doctor. I'm sure that's an offence, isn't it? And, you know, all of these things go on record. The next time there's trouble, muggins they'll come looking for first.
By the way, I still haven't had my one phone call.
Charlie, what is that?
I have considered whether this sentence can be suspended and conclude that it cannot. You will therefore go to prison for 12 months. You will serve half this sentence in custody, and you will then be released on license. Please go with the custody officers.
No, I have to talk to my girls.
I'm sorry, Donna. I'll take you down now.
It's okay. It's okay. You need to look after each other. I don't want you to go. I know, but we can do this, the three of us.
Come on.
You can do this,
Please,
okay? You can do it.
Come on.
Okay. It's okay.
Walk to the end of the corridor. Stand away from the door. In you go.
Just want to give you a chance to explain.
Yeah, so there was a commotion and, you know, it was clear to me that Scott was very manic. He was, his behavior was aggressive and it didn't look like there was any chance that he was going to calm down.
You could have called for backup.
Well, look, Cam was, you know, shouting out for help, so I was the backup and I thought he was going to go for Cam.
Did he?
No, Charlie, no. I think he was just scared. Maybe he lost his footing. I don't know.
Did you feel threatened?
No.
Okay. Well, look, that's on me. I thought that you needed protecting. I thought you needed my help, okay? But it's like, we're talking about like an in-the-moment response. It was just an impulse and it was headstrong. I know that, and obviously I take full responsibility, obviously.
Stevie Nash, I'm arresting you for grievous bodily harm.
What?
You do not have to say anything, but
Hold
it
on
may
a second.
harm your defence if you don't mention when
No.
questions are-
We're talking about a momentary lapse in judgment here. Hardly the grounds for an arrest.
Given in evidence. Do you understand what I've said?
Charlie, come on.
Do you understand what I've said?
Yeah, I understand that, but it's like...
You injected a patient illegally and in front of witnesses. Turn around, please.
I'm not...
Turn around, please. Hands to me.
Keogh.
Hello, yeah, this is Detective Bell ringing from Holby City Police Station.
We've received some information about the treatment you gave to a patient which ended in the loss of life.
Is this about Aaron Bayliss?
More information will be given in person.
Yeah, but I'm at work.
Well, we need you at the station. So at 1 o'clock.
Dylan, I was hoping to catch you.
Yeah,
Are you around after work tonight?
I've got a minute now if you want it.
It's not really a quick chat.
It's fine, a few minutes, it's fine. Go ahead.
I'm pregnant.
Come in.
Dylan Keogh.
Yeah?
Detective Bell, Holby City Police. We spoke earlier.
Yeah.
Yeah, you didn't attend your interview.
Yeah, I was with a patient.
Well, we can talk about it down the station.
Sorry?
Dr. Dylan Keogh, to allow a prompt and effective investigation in connection with the death of Thea Bayliss, I'm arresting you on suspicion of manslaughter by gross negligence.
What?
You do not have to say anything, but it may harm your defence if you do not mention when questioned something you may later rely on in court. Anything you do say may be given in evidence.